Unraveling the charm of idioms, as giddy as a kipper. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, focusing on a particularly colorful expression, as giddy as a kipper. Idioms are a crucial part of mastering English, adding flavor and personality to our conversations. So, if you're eager to spice up your English skills, stay tuned as we explore the meaning, origin, and usage of this unique phrase. At first glance, as giddy as a kipper might leave you puzzled. What could possibly link the feeling of being giddy to a kipper, which is a type of fish, specifically a herring that has been salted or pickled? Giddy here refers to a state of excitement or dizziness, akin to being overly happy or euphoric. So, when someone is described as giddy as a kipper, it means they are extremely happy, excited, or even a bit over the top in their enthusiasm. It's a vivid way to express a very high level of joy or excitement. The expression, as giddy as a kipper, is steeped in British English, known for its rich collection of idiomatic expressions. The origin of this particular phrase is a bit murky, as is often the case with idioms. However, it's thought to be a playful construction, combining the lively image of a giddy person with the unlikely comparison to a kipper. This juxtaposition creates a memorable and amusing visual, making the idiom stick in people's minds. It reflects the British penchant for humor and the love of creating expressions that paint vivid pictures with words. Incorporating idioms like, as giddy as a kipper, into your conversations can make your English sound more natural and expressive. It's perfect for informal settings, such as when sharing exciting news with friends or describing someone's reaction to a pleasant surprise. Here's how you might use it. When she found out she had won the lottery, she was as giddy as a kipper. I've never seen him so happy. He's been as giddy as a kipper since he got the job offer. Remember, while idioms can greatly enrich your language, they're best used in appropriate contexts where their figurative meanings will be appreciated. Exploring idioms like, as giddy as a kipper, offers a window into the cultural and linguistic creativity of English speakers. This phrase, with its combination of whimsy and vivid imagery, is just one example of how language can bring color to our expressions of emotion and experience. We hope this exploration has made you a bit giddy with the joy of learning. Keep embracing the quirks of English, and you'll find your conversations richer and more engaging. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.